guys. I think this truck is sleeping. Listen. Snoring. They must run it very hard. It's very tired. I'm gonna let it rest.